everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight we'll be unboxing a gift that was given to me I think 2 years ago. I haven't opened it. This is a birthday gift. This is from Rituals. First, we have the body and hair oil, dry oil for nourishing. And then we have the body cream, 70 ml. Indian rose and Himalaya honey. Then we have the shower oil. Its ingredient is Indian rose and sweet almond oil. And then the last one is the foaming shower gel. Same. Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Ayurveda. Birthday gifts I got this for as a birthday gift. Rituals. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.